It so hurts. It so hurts.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bianca B, and I'm so happy that you guys are here. For those of you who are new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also hit that notification bell while you're there so you could always get my videos when they upload. So today, as you guys can see, I'm going to be doing the trending soft glam look. I am not a makeup guru, I'm not a makeup artist, I just do it for my pleasure and my face. So yeah guys, don't judge me, but this is what I would do on an everyday for a soft glam. What I did first was I kind of moisturized my face with the Farsali Volcanic one. It's a moisturizer. They have all types of different line. It's an Instagram makeup line. It's called Farsali, and it's really moisturizing. I really like that volcanic cream. Other than that, yeah, after that I am now taking my Benefits Cosmetics eyeliner pencil. Is that what I have to say? Eyeliner pencil? I think it's called eyeliner pencil. But yeah, I'm just taking that to the brows. I'm filling in my brows. They are a bit bushy, guys. As you can see, they need some grooming. But I'm making it work. I'm making it work. It was quite difficult, but I'm making it work. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'll do my other brow off camera, and I'll get back to you guys in 1 second. Wow, that was quick. So I'm back. The other brow is filled in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to conceal my brows just to give it a defined look. I'm taking my LA Girl Cosmetics concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just going to outline my brows. Like I said, guys, don't judge me. They're a little bit bushy, so my brows didn't come out Gucci. They came out a little bit Walmart, but it's alright. The look came together and I was fine with it. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to do the other one, and I will get back to you guys in 1 sec. Alright guys, so now that the brows are all filled in, they ain't all that great, but it's whatever, you know, it's whatever. I'm making it work. So now I'm gonna color correct with my orange concealer from LA Girl. You know what it do. We don't, us dark skin sisters, we don't really have a lot of options for orange concealer, but this one definitely works. This one gets rid of those pesky hyperpigmentations that we got on our face. Like me, you guys see I have quite a few. So I'm just gonna keep on, you know, covering those spots, and I'm gonna blend them in with a wet beauty blender. It's already wet, and I also sprayed some of my Mario Badisco, if I'm pronouncing it properly. It's a setting spray. I sprayed it on my sponge so I could blend that in perfectly, and you guys can see that I'm all blended. I'm a little bit orange, but it's alright. I'm spraying that Mario Badisco back on again, and now I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place foundation. I can't remember the name. I'm gonna leave that in the description bar below, and I'm spotting it all over my face, and I'm just gonna blend that in with the same beauty blender. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that and get that blended. Alright, so I'm all blended out, and now I'm gonna go in with my concealer from Juvia's Place. I think this is in the number 12. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, it's definitely the number 12. So I'm just going to conceal all the places that I normally conceal, you know, under the eyes, bridge of my nose, underneath my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm just going to conceal that, blend it in, and let it sit right on my face. That was face. But yeah, I'm going to blend. I'm going to be blending, guys, so just watch me blend. Alright guys, another blending session is over. I absolutely love that little blending sponge that I have. I got it from Target in a pack that was like 10 bucks and I absolutely love it guys. It is just soft and perfect. So yeah, that was inexpensive and that works perfectly fine. But now as you guys can see, I just showed you my Fenty Beauty press powder. It is in the color Honey. I don't want to bake. I changed my whole routine with the baking stuff because I feel like it leaves me a little bit ashy. So what I'm doing now is I'm pressing the powder into my skin with the the damp beauty blender, and I'm pressing it in and it works perfectly fine for me. It leaves like a flawless, nice smooth surface, and that works perfect for me. So I suggest that somebody try that if they're not into the ashy look when they I think you bake underneath your eyes. So yeah, now after I just kind of chiseled out underneath where I'm gonna put my contour with some of that powder, and now I'm going into the eyes. I'm taking the Morphe palette from James, oh my gosh, what's his name? Oh my gosh, I forgot, so I'm going blank right now, but you guys just saw what I showed to you. I'm taking that color, the kind of brownish color, and I'm putting it into my crease, and I'm just going to be blending that in so it's nice and flawless. I did that to the other eye as well, and now I'm going to cut my crease. Disclaimer, I do not know how to cut a crease. This is actually my first time cutting a crease guys, so please go easy on me. I have never done a cut crease before. I do not have a steady hand, I'm sorry. I just thought I would try this out today, and I'm trying this for the first on camera and the first ever because I've never done a cut crease. So I hope I'm doing it properly, and I hope you guys take it easy on me. If you guys have any suggestions on how to do this, I actually have a video that I want to do on this cut crease tool, but for now this is for beginners. This is my beginner friendly cut crease, and I think I didn't do a half bad job, so I'm just cutting that crease with the same concealer that I used underneath my brows, which is the LA Girl Fawn, and it came out alright, so I'm just blending that in so it's no harsh lines above it. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm taking just a clean Real Techniques fluffy brush and blending that in properly, and I'm just gonna go over that with a color really quick. And the color that I'm going in with, as you guys can see, it's like a light champagne color. I do not know how to mesh colors well, so this is what you get guys. This is what you get for Soft Glam, and I don't think it's bad. So yeah, I'm just going to be placing that on my lid, and I'm going to do it on both lids, and I'll get back to you guys in 1 second. Guys, so now after applying that color to my lid on top of the concealer, I'm just blending it out properly so there are no harsh lines. I'm getting used to this blending thing and making things look all, nice and neat. I took the brush that I used with the brown color as well, just to give it a little bit more definition and blend that out. So yeah, I'm gonna apply my lashes offline because I did poke myself a lot of times and I didn't want you guys to see that, so I just applied some Ardell wispy lashes, and now I'm taking my Makeup Forever Noir pencil, it's black, and I'm putting that into my waterline, and now I'm going to contour my face. I'm taking the BH Cosmetics, it's my Ray Ray palette, the first palette that she came out with, and I'm just taking that dark compact color to contour my face, and I'm pretty much just gonna put that all over where I normally contour, so you guys can check that out. Alright, guys, so now that I contoured my nose, my face, and everything else, I'm gonna go in with some blush. I don't normally blush, but I have this Face Case light pink blush that I got in an Ipsy bag a few months ago, and I'm starting to use it. It didn't really show up on my face, but it was still cute anyways. Now I'm taking my Morphe liner in white, and I'm just making some cute little white dots underneath my eyes. I think that's super cute. I got this from one of my fellow YouTubers and childhood friend. Her name is Alicia. She got it from somebody else, but I think it's really cute, so I decided to try that like Japanese haiku look. Now I'm just taking my Man Eater by Tarte, mascara, and I'm putting that underneath my bottom lids, and I'm gonna take a highlighter that I got in an Ipsy bag in like a gold shimmery color, and I'm just highlighting the top of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, on my nose, my cupid's bow, and I'm calling it, I'm mumbling, what the F? I'm mumbling. Yes, I'm highlighting all those places, and then I'm just gonna finish the look up. Now I'm just gonna take my setting spray, the Mario Badescu that I've been using, and I'm just gonna set the rest of my face, and I'm gonna pop on some lippy. This is by NYX. It's in the color number 14. It's the lingerie or lingerie, however you want to say it, line, and it's just a dark, you know, nudish color. I really like nude. I'm such a huge fan of nude lips. I'm sorry. And yeah, I'm just taking that to the lips, and I'm gonna finish up the look right now, guys, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so now that the look is completed, I just popped on one of my wiggies and, you know, threw some clips in my hair. And yeah, the look is completed. I want to thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Please, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.